Actually there are two ways to go viral, right? Number one is the right way, a lot of people know, and number second is that wrong way, even that is also known by a lot of people. Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, and in this particular video I'm gonna talk about how to go viral, even both the tactic the people are using on the right way and a wrong way, right? So first of all, let me talk about the wrong way, because a lot of people are focusing upon that wrong way. And why? Because wrong way is simple and people got viral so very in a shorter period of time. And if you talk about any kind of platform, YouTube, Instagram, and any kind of platform that people are wanted to go viral, and they mostly people are go for the wrong way, which is actually hampering their growth. They don't understand actually. So before you're gonna jump into the video, make sure you just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload any new video. Now let's begin the video. Okay, so I just started with the wrong way, that a lot of people are using that, and even they don't understand that they actually hampering their growth on YouTube or Instagram or whatever the platform they are using, the way that they think this is the way that I can go viral. You know what? First of all thing is that people, what they are actually doing, they take any kind of trending topic that they think which is maybe not related to their niche or sub niche, and they think यार ये ना ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक है, तो मैं अगर इसको चूज करूँगा ना तो ये मैं वायरल हो जाऊँगा, राइट? एंड मे बी सम ऑफ द चैनल गोज वायरल 100%, they goes viral, but actually that kind of thing hampering their growth. Now do you think about that? I mean, you're thinking about that, how this kind of thing hampering my channel's growth. See, I have a lot of friends, YouTube channel who have like more than 70,000 80,000 subscribers, but nowadays the views are very less, very less actually. I can say that. Why? Because they have choose some kind of wrong ways to go viral, or they have shifted from their niche to different kind of niche, right? See, nowadays to go viral, people are saying that yaar TikTok versus YouTube का आज video चल रहा है, let's make video on that. And one more thing, let me tell you, a lot of people, you know, my previous videos all about TikTok versus YouTube, which is good or which is bad. Then a lot of people are saying that you also do the same thing. हाँ, ट्रेंडिंग में वीडियो जा रहा है इसलिए तुम भी सोचो यार चलो बहती गंगा में क्या मारते हैं, जो भी बोलना वो बोल रहा है. आई डोंट फॉरगेट दैट एक्चुअली थिंग. ओके, सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर टेलिंग दैट, but you know what, why I made this one? Because this is related to my niche. Number one thing is that, and second thing is that go through that video, there is no any kind of thing that yaar YouTube sahi hai ya TikTok sahi hai, whatever the kind of thing I'm not talk about. I'm just have talk about the self awareness thing that actually people don't have, right? So द थिंग इज़ दैट अभी होता क्या है कि लोग सोचते हैं कि यार ये वायरल जा रहा है, चलो इस पे बना लेता है टिकटॉक वर्सेस यूट्यूब. इवन दे आर इन फील्ड ऑफ, यू कैन से द माइंडफुलनेस, इवन दे आर इन अ फील्ड ऑफ मे बी इन, you can say that fitness kind of thing and any kind of thing. Why? Because they just wanted to go viral. Okay, and they just think, okay, let's go. And even one more thing is that, see, there are a lot of news things. I mean, people are, because अभी क्या होता है ना कि कोई न्यूज़ आया ना तो that kind of news channel goes viral. But now people are what they are doing actually, उनका जो चैनल है न्यूज़ से रिलेटेड नहीं है, फिर भी वो सोचते हैं कि अगर मैं इस पर बनाऊँगा तो मेरा चैनल वायरल हो जाएगा. मे बी हो सकता है एंड मे बी होता भी है. You are 100% right, but let me tell you the disadvantage or negative point of that particular thing which you are doing, and this is not a right way to go viral. Okay, and the negative way is that, see, maybe आपके उस वीडियो पे maybe the people comes for that particular video, maybe you got a 1 lakh 2 lakh views on that particular video, maybe you got a million views also and have got a huge kind of subscriber, but after that when you post your new video now, that is all comes to your down and like normal level, that wherever you are, right? I mean at that time. Okay, so this is the most disadvantage, that because the people that come to your channel, that is not now it comes from the whatever the content that you are producing in future or the niche you're related in, because the people come to your channel just because of the viral content, and you think yaar meri videos to viral ho gaye na, I got viral, my channel got viral. So this is the disadvantage, and this is literally not a right way to go viral, right? So please, if you are serious about your YouTube channel and any kind of Instagram page kind of thing. So don't do this kind of thing, right? Now let's talk about what is the right way to go viral. अब बहुत सारे लोग तो ये पूछेंगे यार पहले तू खुद तो वायरल हो जा, then you are going to talk about that how to go viral. See, I'm just applying, okay? So this is not, I mean, see, it's depend up to the niche, which niche you are and what are the kind of people are searching for that. Maybe whatever I'm going to talk about, this is the search result is maybe less for me, but if you are going to do the same thing, then maybe in your niche there are a lot of people are searching for such kind of content. So maybe if I'm not going to if I'm not got viral, but you may become. So basically let's talk about the tactic, not a tactic, not a hack, any kind of thing. That's strategy actually. Even the right way is that a lot of people go for the Google trends and they just think about that, okay, these are the things that's in trending, let's take the topic and make the video. But I'll suggest go through your niche. If you think that I'm in technical kind of niche, if I'm a digital marketing kind of niche, then go for that kind of thing, not any random kind of thing, right? Next thing that I'll tell you, which is so very important, literally so very important, and it works 100% if you're working on that. See, choose 3 or 4 or 5 YouTubers or Instagrammers that you wanted to be related to your niche. For example, let us take an example of technology and let example of technical guruji. See, so just go through the technical guruji latest video who just have recently posted, okay, and see if recently posted video of technical guruji related to anything like 20,000 के अंदर बेस्ट स्मार्टफोन लाइक काइंड ऑफ थिंग. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियो. व्हाई? यू नो, लेट्स सी, बिकॉज द public or the audience on the technical gurus is huge. So while you are making same kind of video, and if you got some kind of, you can say that engagement there, then the possibility of going viral has become more. And the best part is that because your content is also related to that kind of content, I mean that kind of niche, so the people come to your channel which is literally real, and not for only one video. While you are making your another video, that people go and watch your video because they are interested in you, I mean the kind of content you are producing, right? So this is the actually right way to go viral. And you can choose a Google Trends, or you can go for YouTube trending video. If you think that trending video is related to your niche, then just go and do that particular work. And I hope you got the value from this particular video. So this is the simple message to all the people. If you wanted to go viral, don't try to wrong way to just go for a viral kind of thing. It's literally hampering your growth on a YouTube, right? And if you literally genuinely wanted to grow on your YouTube channel, then one thing is that I told that go through the Google Trends and search the trending topic related to your niche. And second thing is that you can go for the YouTube and see the 3 or 4 5 of people related to your niche and see what kind of content they are producing latestly, because the views and kind of engagement is going to be more after some maybe minute or maybe hour. And if you're making the same kind of content, maybe people are going to watch your video as well, right? So this is the second one. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value from this particular video. If you got the value from this particular video, please share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well, and they choose the right way to go viral, not a wrong way to go viral, right? So that's it. So thank you so much to each and everyone to be here. As always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.